Wally don't do this for the money.
Wally don't do it. Wally ain't in it for the money.
For the fucking thrill of killing.
Wally's in it for the mass extinction.
Real the kill.
Wally's. There's a lot of big numbers. Wally wants to make them all 0.
Just playing in the tunnels.
Blue portal.
Bring that count
There's a lot
down.
of numbers and he wants to make them all 0.
Wants to bring it back to 0. Now I am stronger.
Stronger. I'm stronger than before, Peter. I'm stronger than you could
Holy
ever
shit, this might come back
imagine.
as fast. Half
Unlimited
threshold.
power. Unlimited power. Do it.
It's too much.
Oh yeah, it caps out at that.
It's not the kid I want. Well, Loris, that's not what Master Yoda taught us.
I have the high ground, Peter. I have the high ground. I loved you.
You were my wife. I loved you.
I need that fucking YouTube video so bad. Just obliterated.
Oh, bye, Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Alright, I'm back.
Couldn't even stick around for me to turn my head.
Sorry.
Should I fight the boss? Are we fighting the boss?
Where's the button?
Over here.
Well, I say absolutely, but let's wait for the other guy's confirmation.
No, fucking hit it, fucking punch it.
Punch.
Wow.
Who is it? Who is it? What is it?
Glacial constructs. Kill it.
Bye.
Bye bye. Okay.
Well, that's pretty cute.
Guys, I'm here.
Oh.
Is there a boss? Where's the boss? Missile.
What does the egg do?
Cuban missile
Missile.
crisis.
What egg?
Never mind.
Oh, who took 3?
Me.
Me.
What the fuck? I only got 1. I need infusion.
That's awkward. At least Joe also made a mistake.
I
Don't know why I thought we needed 3.
I just.
I have only 130 health,
Yeah,
guys.
you know, I just saw it standing there. You know, I just picked it up myself. You know? You know, when you see an item laying out on the ground, you don't leave it there. You know, you pick it up. You pick it up. You don't leave it on the ground because that's littering.
I
That's
ran.
littering. You don't do that.
I can't even walk. Yeah, fun.
Wow.
That's fast
Well, now we
as
got
fuck.
Hey.
I gotta wait 20 seconds,
Hey.
boys. I wait 20 seconds.
Come on now.
Wow.
Joel,
Wow.
Joel does not need it.
Wow.
Joel did not.
So
Wow.
fucking how did you get over?
I'll start
What the
this
fuck?
one.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
wait, what if...
Yeah.
Where did you put
Yeah.
it?
Where'd you go? You went so far up.
Oh, Joel, if you can fly, we can just skip this part.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll meet you guys up there then. We could just all. Oh,
Don't worry, guys. I got you.
Can you send one down to us?
I think so.
oh, I see it. I see it.
Did it
Let's,
work?
yeah,
Where
let's
is
use
it?
that.
Where is it?
I see this very
Okay.
faint line. It's down here.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
Off we go. Yeah. Oh, yay.
You went far. Okay.
Whoa.
9 seconds for the next one.
Oh shit, how do we get up to the rest?
Alright, so here's what I'm gonna set another one.
Adrian
So
just
everybody
Come
got-
on, guys.
Everybody got
You
double
can
jump?
do it. Oh, I'm a butterfly.
I really hope starting that pillar did not fuck this up. No, it didn't. I gotta get away from here!
You're fine. Alright, make sure Gavin gets the last hit on the
Yeah.
last phase.
For now, though. Look at that.
Oh, wait, what
For now, though.
So how's this gonna work?
Alright.
Well, now it's
You-
gonna be phase 2, we kill him, and then I run away.
Yeah, we just all get away and you do it. Then
Okay.
we cheer you on.
There you go.
Okay.
Alright, now you deal with that.
Wait, this is. Wait, what? That
All
was
you, Gavin.
That was phase 2.
All you,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah.
You got it.
Just watch your stepsies.
See?
Oh my
You got
god.
it.
What?
You got it, Gavin.
It does the thing, I told you.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Just
he's
don't
running.
get hit by him.
Oh, he's
He's so
fast.
fast. He's so fast. He's so fast.
He
He's
is very
fast.
He's going after me!
Oh.
What? What?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, he has
Oh, it's,
all
it's
our,
probably because of the missiles.
he has all our items.
Hey, I dealt 24 million damage.
Oh my god.
Even hit this with. Don't even.
That was pretty interesting.
Speed.
What's going on?
I gotta go to bed.